Hello students, today we are starting with the skip counting. Before that I want to introduce, actually I want to recall the number line. Already I have discussed the number line, how to draw it, so you all can see. This is the number line, the unit gap between these terms like 0, 1, 2, 3. You all can see. This is starting from 0 and it is ending till 14. Okay, so this already we have done. Now you have to perform the questions based on the skip counting. Okay, so there are the different concept like in 2s, 3s, 5s, 10. So how you can solve the question? You just see, it is written that skip counting in 2s means you have to find out the number. You just see the example, like here you all can see the number line is starting from 0. Okay, now you have to skip the 2 number. Okay, so after 0 you just skip the 2 number. This is first and this is second. Okay, so what will be the next number? 2. You all can see. Now again you have to skip the 2 number. Okay, so 2 number you just draw like that. You can see where we are reaching at the 4. So the next number would be 4. Suppose I am making the series, so the series would be 0, 2, 4. Now you all can see, again you have to skip the 2 number. So you start, this is first number and this is second number, where you are reaching 6. So the next number would be 6. Now again you have to skip the 2 number. So this and this. So what will be the next? 8. So like that only you can perform the series. You have the starting and ending point that should be given in the question. So according to same you have to find out the answer. But how to perform the task, I think you all are comfortable with the same. Okay, if the number is given 0 and now you have to find out the number in the term of skip counting, that is what? 2's. Okay, so you just draw the numbers like that and you just get the answer. Okay, now the second, skip counting in 3's. Okay, in every question this time I'm starting the numbers from 0, but it's not compulsory that in exam you are getting the same question. Series can be started from any number. You have to find out the next numbers. Like here, suppose if I'm asking ki my series is 3. Okay, now what will be the next number? Okay, so you just place your pointer over here. This is 3. Now you have to use the skip counting in 3's. Okay, so you have to leave how many terms? 3 terms. Okay, so we are starting from here. This is first, this is second and this is third. So where we are reaching? That is 6. So what will be the next number? 3. So after 3, if I am taking the example like 3, 4, 5, 6, you all can see we have started from here, and when we have skipped the 3 number, what is the third number actually? 6. Okay, now again you skip 3 number. This is first, second and third. So where we are reaching? That is 9. So the next number would be 9. Now again you have to skip 3 numbers. Either you draw just this curve or you cut the numbers. That is also correct. Okay, so what will be the next number? That is 12. Okay, so this is the skip counting in 3's. Okay, now the skip counting in 5's. You have to leave the 5 terms. Okay, just see the example here. Again I am starting from 0. My starting point, starting number is what? 0. Now I have to use the skip counting in the term of 5. So you just start like first, second, third, fourth and fifth. So where the destination point is 5. So after 0, if I am skipping, or from 0 if I am skipping 5 numbers, so this is first, second, third, fourth and fifth. So the number will be 5. Okay, now again you leave the 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what will be the next? 10. Now suppose if I am taking one more number over here, that is 15. So now again 5. So you just start first, second, third, fourth and fifth. So what is the next number? That is 50. Okay, or suppose if I am starting the skip counting in tens, So the number is 0. Suppose my starting point is 0. Now I have to use the concept in the tens term. So start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So after 0 my number would be 10, and the next number after 10 will be 20, then 30, then 40, because I have not drawn the number line completely. So you just see the example ki in the tens you are having the numbers starting from 0, 10, 20, or it might be, it's not compulsory that your numbers starting from 0. It can any number, you just see. If suppose I have written that 40, now you just find out the next term. So you can see that easily. The next term would be 50, the next term would be 60, the next term would be 70 and 80. Okay, so this is what, this is actually skip counting. Any number you have, you just see the example first, then I'll discuss the worksheet. As you all can see, this is my number line. Okay, and suppose if it is given, this is 1, this is 5, this is 9. Okay, so now you just find out the next 4 numbers if the question is like that. Okay, so the first number is what? As you all can see, this is 1 and this is 5. Now you just see how many numbers I have skipped. 2, 3 and 4. So how many numbers are there? 2, 3, 4. 3 numbers skipped, and the next one is my answer. Again here, if I'm 1, 2, 3 numbers I have skipped, and the next number is my answer. So what will be the series? Now again you skip this number, and this number. So what will be the answer? That is 13. Okay, like that if you are continuing na, 13 you just add the 4, and you can see the difference between these terms also. 5 minus 1 will be what? 4. 9 minus 5, 4. 13 minus 9, 4. So here also the next number would be what? 17. You can see 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 4, 17, 17 plus 4, 21, like that. This is actually this concept is used in class 2. In class 1 this is not there, but then too you just try to understand the concept. Or suppose if I am taking a next number, like suppose my series is 2, 5, 7, 9. Now you just find out the next 4 number if the question is like that. Okay, so how you can get the answer? You just see, my pointer is on 2, the next number is 5. As you all can see, how many numbers I have skipped? 2 numbers, 3 and 4. So the next number is 5. Now you can see like if I'm skipping this number and this number, my next number is 8. So now you skip this number and this number. So what is the next number? The answer is 11. Okay, now again you skip this number and this number. What will be the answer? That is 14. And you all can see the difference between these terms is 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay, that I'll discuss later on. Before that, you have to solve this worksheet based on the same question. You just go through with the same. See. Okay. So now we have to find out the answers, like count by 2. The first number is given over here, that is what? 2. Already I have discussed the number line. You all can see here my pointer is at 2 and I have to write the counting in 2. So after 2, first and second. So what will be the next number? 4. Or if I use this concept, okay, so what is the answer? 4. What will be here? 4. Now again to draw this, what is the next number? 6. So the answer will be 6. Here again you have to skip 2 numbers. What is the answer? 8. Okay, like that you have to solve the questions. What is the answer if I am skipping? And because that is the ending point, so till here only you have to solve this. Okay, if I am talking about count by 3, this I'm starting from 9. Okay, where is 9? Here. Now you have to skip the 3 numbers. So first number, second number and third number. What is the answer? 12. Now again, if suppose the first number, second number and third number will be what? 15. So the answer will be 15. Then 18. Then 21. Then 24. And then 27. 5, that is very easy. The table of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35. How? You just see, this is 5 and after 5 I have to skip the 5 number. First number, second number, third number. First, second, third, fourth and this is 5th. Again you can see first, second, third, fourth and this is what? This is 50. Okay, so like that only. In the tens, the answer will be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Or if any number, in that case, suppose if it is written ki like question is given, this is 1 and this is 3. Okay, now you have to find out the next number. You all can see 2 I have skipped over here. 4 if I'll skip, the next number would be 5. Then 6, the next number answer will be 7. 8 will be skipped, so 9. So this is the concept of skip counting that you have to practice. And if you have any problem, please let me know. Thank you.